I've heard there was a secret chord David played and pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major left. The baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, your faith is strong, but you need the proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the I know there is a God above, but all I ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who I truly love. And it's not a cry that you hear at night, it's not somebody who's sitting